Parkin by Radisson ushered in the holiday season and commemorated its 10th anniversary with the lighting of its blue and silver adorned white Christmas tree on November 21, gathering partners, stakeholders, and members of the community it has served for a decade.
3, 2, 1.
Leading the ceremonial switch on were SM Hotels and Conventions Corporation President and Chairman Elizabeth C., Executive Vice President Peggy Angeles, SIAC Director and Pampanga Press Club President Noel Tulabut, Department of Tourism Region 3 Director Richard Dinos, Clark Development Corporation President Agnes De Vanadera, and Parkin by Radisson Clark General Manager Lorenzo Tang. The celebration was filled with warmth and festive cheer, highlighted the performances from the Holy Angel Choral and soprano Myra May Meneses. Parkin executives hinted at another major expansion set for 2026, an exciting development that will further strengthen the hotel's connection to the local community and contribute to the integrated SM City complex. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.